for it, Paul.
Okay. All right, everybody. Air quality is deteriorating, but we're just plowing ahead forward. This is Juglans hindsii in the Juglandaceae, a new genus and family for us. The common name is California black walnut. And this is a small tree to medium-sized tree with dark, deeply furrowed bark and alternate compound leaves. And these compound leaves have a high number of leaflets. Probably they're pinnately compound, and I would say probably will win the title for biggest number of leaflets on any tree that we're going to learn. And of course, whenever I say something like that, I'm always thinking if I might be wrong, but if I am, I'll let you know later. Okay, so these are pinnately compound. They're alternate leaves, but the leaflets, they're generally alternate as well, but they can be what we call sub-opposite, meaning they're really close to being opposite to one another, like these pair here. You'll notice that they are, the lateral leaflets are larger towards the base and smaller towards the tip. And they kind of come to a point, and they're serrated. They're pretty distinctive. I'm not sure what you're going to confuse this with in California, other than maybe the English walnut, which is planted in many places. Another thing about this plant is you can take the leaf and you can crush it, and it has, if you're not wearing a smoke mask, a very strong odor, kind of a walnut odor, and that's from a volatile chemical called a Juglans. All right, California black walnut is generally found close to water or in well-drained areas. It doesn't have a very large distribution in Northern California, and some people claim that there are only like 3 sites that are, where its original range is, and that they were really just managed by native Californians. And there's some dispute about whether there's 1 or 2 species of walnut in California. There's another species called Juglans californica, which is the Southern California black walnut. Some people lump them together as one species. And their hypothesis is that where you find these groves of California walnuts, especially the older trees, probably these here were came along much more recently, were managed by Native Americans, but which is definitely true. Native Californians definitely ate walnuts and enjoyed the fruits and almost, well, definitely managed for them. But whether or not they were actively managing their dispersal and where they are found in the state is definitely something that's up to, that needs further research. The fruits of this tree are walnuts, black walnuts, and they're edible and tasty. And I don't see any right now. Yeah, so to sum up, California black walnut, Juglans hindsii, dark colored, deeply furrowed bark, alternate compound leaves that are pinnately compound with lots and lots of leaflets that are serrated. They come to an elongate tip here and have an interesting volatile odor.